By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the importance of lesson plans and classroom management. Discuss the essential components of a well-structured lesson plan. Determine the lesson plan development and implementation. Describe the process of integrating lesson plans and classroom management. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture examines the importance of effective lesson planning and classroom management, and how these two elements work together to create a successful learning environment. We will examine the key components of a well-planned lesson, strategies for effective classroom management, and the benefits of integrating these two essential elements. So, let's begin with this question. How do teachers create a positive classroom environment through lesson plans? Effective lesson planning and classroom management are the twin pillars of a successful educational environment. A well-planned lesson not only ensures that students are engaged and learning, but it also provides the structure that helps maintain a positive and productive classroom climate. When teachers invest time in developing comprehensive lesson plans, they are better equipped to anticipate and address potential challenges, such as disruptions or misconceptions, and to maximize instructional time. This integration of lesson planning and classroom management is crucial for creating a cohesive learning experience that supports student learning and behavior. Classroom management strategies, such as establishing clear expectations, implementing consistent procedures, and using positive reinforcement, are essential for maintaining a well-behaved and focused classroom. When incorporating these strategies into lesson plans, teachers can create a supportive environment that reduces stress, fosters academic success and social-emotional growth, and enhances teacher job satisfaction. The importance of lesson planning. Researchers and practitioners state that the time and effort invested in lesson planning pay rewards in the form of a well-managed, dynamic classroom where students are actively engaged and learning. A well-crafted lesson plan serves as the foundation for a successful educational experience, guiding teachers and students alike towards their shared goals of growth and achievement. When teachers invest efforts in developing comprehensive lesson plans, they 1. Serve as a roadmap for instruction, ensuring that learning objectives, activities, and assessments are aligned and focused. 2. Anticipate potential challenges, such as misconceptions or disruptive behaviors, and proactively devise strategies to address them. 3. Promote the efficient use of class time, allowing teachers to maximize instructional time and minimize downtime that can lead to off-task behavior. 4. Provide a clear structure and flow to the lesson, creating a learning environment that is engaging, productive, and conducive to student success. The key components of a lesson plan. A comprehensive lesson plan is the backbone of effective instruction. It consists of several key components that work together to create a cohesive and engaging learning experience. These essential elements include 1. Clear and measurable learning objectives that define what students should know, understand, and be able to do by the end of the lesson. 2. A variety of instructional strategies, such as direct instruction, group work, or inquiry-based learning, carefully selected to engage students and cater to diverse learning styles. 3. Necessary materials and resources, including textbooks, technology, and supplementary materials, that support and enhance the learning process. 4. Formative and summative assessments strategically placed throughout the lesson to monitor student progress, identify areas for improvement, and inform future instruction. 5. Differentiation strategies that accommodate the diverse needs of all learners, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to succeed. When these key components are thoughtfully integrated into a lesson plan, teachers create a structured and supportive learning environment that maximizes student engagement and achievement. Lesson plan development and implementation. Developing and implementing an effective lesson plan is a dynamic process that requires careful planning, flexibility, and ongoing reflection. As teachers undertake their classroom activities, they should 1. begin with a deep understanding of their students' learning needs, interests, and prior knowledge, using this information to design the lesson to their unique characteristics and experiences. 2. Align lesson objectives with relevant standards and curriculum goals, ensuring that instruction is focused, purposeful, and contributes to the larger educational framework. 3. Structured the lesson with an engaging introduction that captures students' attention, clear explanations that build understanding, guided practice that reinforces learning, and a meaningful conclusion that solidifies key concepts and skills. 4. Anticipate potential challenges or misconceptions that may arise during the lesson and proactively plan for how to address them, demonstrating flexibility and adaptability in the face of unexpected situations. 5. Regularly review and refine lesson plans based on student feedback, assessment data, and personal reflection, continuously improving their practice and ensuring that instruction remains relevant, effective, and responsive to student needs. This iterative process of planning, implementation, and reflection is the hallmark of effective teachers who are committed to excellence and the success of every learner in their care. Integrating lesson plans and classroom management. The seamless integration of lesson planning and classroom management is the hallmark of a truly exceptional teacher. When these two essential elements work in harmony, teachers create a cohesive and supportive learning environment that maximizes student engagement and minimizes disruptive behaviors. This integration involves 1. Aligning lesson plans with strategic classroom management techniques, ensuring that the structure, activities, and flow of the lesson complement the established rules, procedures, and expectations. 2. Incorporating opportunities for student collaboration, self-regulation, and active engagement within lesson activities, fosters a sense of ownership and investment in the learning process. 3. Utilizing classroom management strategies, such as clear transitions and positive reinforcement, to facilitate smooth lesson progression and maintain student focus throughout the class period. 4. Closely monitoring student behavior and adjusting lesson plans or management techniques as needed, demonstrating flexibility and responsiveness to the unique dynamics of each class. 5. Regularly reflecting on the effectiveness of the integration between lesson planning and classroom management, continuously refining their approach to create an optimal learning environment. By seamlessly blending these two essential elements, teachers create a classroom culture that is conducive to academic success and social-emotional growth. This integrated approach empowers students to thrive, while also enhancing the overall job satisfaction and effectiveness of the teacher. Benefits of effective lesson planning and classroom management. The smooth integration of effective lesson planning and strategic classroom management yields a plethora of benefits that reverberate throughout the entire educational ecosystem. Among these benefits: 1. Students in well-managed classrooms with engaging lessons are more likely to stay on task, participate actively, and demonstrate positive behaviors, fostering an environment conducive to academic success and social-emotional growth. 2. Teachers who implement this integrated approach report higher levels of job satisfaction, as they are able to focus more on instruction and less on addressing disruptive behaviors, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and accomplishment. 3. Positive student-teacher relationships flourish in classrooms where clear expectations, consistent routines, and supportive learning environments are the norm, creating a foundation for meaningful connections and mutual respect. 4. School administrators and parents alike take comfort in knowing that their students are thriving in a well-managed, engaging learning environment, where the focus remains squarely on nurturing the holistic development of each child. Conclusion. Effective lesson planning is the cornerstone of successful teaching, serving as a roadmap that guides teachers through the intricate journey of instruction. It's a dynamic process linking classroom practices to curriculum objectives. Effective lesson planning involves a deliberate and thoughtful approach to designing learning experiences that are not only aligned with educational goals, but also designed to meet the diverse needs of students. It's an art form that balances structure with flexibility, blending creativity with pedagogical expertise to craft engaging, purposeful, and impactful learning sessions. A well-crafted lesson plan anticipates challenges, incorporates varied teaching strategies, and seamlessly integrates assessment methods, all while maintaining a laser focus on student learning outcomes. In essence, effective lesson planning is the invisible architecture that supports visible classroom success, transforming abstract educational theories into concrete, achievable steps that lead students toward mastery and understanding.